Haha, the big elephant in the room. A business owner must learn or have the skills of raising capital. It must be able to raise capital. If you don't know how to raise capital, you can't do business. Business requires money. Is that okay? And it's a skill. Do you understand? That's why many of you will never be able to do business, because you have never been around the skill. I was watching a video of Robert Kiyosaki the other day, and he was talking to somebody how he bought a gold mine. And the person said, that's a lot of money. How did you raise that money? Then he said to the guy that he was in Vancouver, and he saw a group of billionaires that were into gold mines having, a business meeting. So he joined. And from there, they taught him how to raise the money. So this guy was like, but I will never have that kind of money. And he said to this guy, because you don't have the knowledge about how to raise that kind of money. Do you understand? Businesses, if you're going to be a business owner, you need to learn how to raise capital. So one of the assignments you could take home today is this: what is the maximum amount I think I can raise today?